Amid the epic journey of humanity's first steps on the moon, the Apollo missions stand as a monumental achievement in the annals of space exploration. While Neil Armstrong's famous words echo across history, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," there are stories, perhaps lesser known, that also deserve their rightful place among the stars. Let's uncover some of these captivating tales from the Apollo missions that continue to inspire and intrigue. As the world watched Apollo 11 unfold in awe, something unexpected occurred inside the lunar module Eagle that would add a poignant footnote to the momentous occasion. Mere hours after landing, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin engaged in a brief yet profound ceremony. In the silence of Tranquility Base, Aldrin poured wine and consumed a piece of bread in a private communion service, marking the first sacrament ever to be performed on another celestial body. However, due to the intense scrutiny of religious expressions at the time, the event was largely kept under wraps, emphasizing the profound personal and philosophical reflections of those first lunar explorers. Moving beyond Apollo 11, another fascinating episode transpired aboard Apollo 12. The mission aimed to demonstrate the feasibility of pinpoint lunar landings. What often goes unsaid is the remarkable close call the crew experienced. Just 36 seconds post-launch, the spacecraft was struck by lightning not once, but twice. The electrical storm temporarily knocked out the command module's fuel cells, threatening to abort the mission. Fortunately, through quick thinking and relentless dedication, Flight Controller John Aaron famously suggested their salvation: the switch of a single setting, SCE to IX, a command that restored the systems and allowed the mission to continue towards a successful lunar landing. Now, shifting to Apollo 15, it's time to highlight the unsung hero of many successful lunar landings, the lunar rover. Apollo 15 was notable for deploying this moon buggy, a vehicle that dramatically changed lunar exploration. It extended astronauts' reach beyond their landing vicinity, allowing them to explore more of the moon's grand vistas, gather samples from more varied terrain, and ultimately accomplish more scientific goals. The rover's success during Apollo 15 and subsequent missions underscored not only human ingenuity, but also the collaborative spirit that propelled these missions beyond conventional limits. Finally, consider the hauntingly beautiful legacy of Apollo 16. Astronaut Charles Duke, in a touching gesture, left a photograph of his family on the lunar surface. Encased in a protective sleeve, the photo was left by Duke as a tribute, a literal token of connection between Earth and the vastness of space. This symbolic act encapsulates the very essence of the Apollo missions: the human desire to explore, to touch the unknown, and perhaps to leave a part of ourselves amidst the stars. As we reflect on the Apollo missions, these lesser-known stories remind us of the human element in these grand ventures. The courage, ingenuity, and personal moments of astronauts not only charted new frontiers, but also enriched the narrative of human exploration. And as we now look towards future missions to the moon and beyond, these tales from Apollo illuminate the path with lessons of perseverance, innovation, and the unyielding spirit of discovery.